Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. I'm doing an unboxing today and I hope you enjoy this one. Hopefully it's a massive box, but I'm not completely sure who it's from. I'm hoping there's a letter inside. I have an idea, but it's sent from Beauty Bay. Now I think that is a website, but I'm not sure who sent us this, so hopefully there'll be something in here that I can show you and see like who it's from. I hope. Oh wow, I don't think so, but I'll find out. I will find out. Wow, it's huge. Jeez, wow. Who is this? There's so much here. Wow. Dear me. I hope it's short. It's right. It's a massive box inside of this. I need to get it out. And I've just seen the bill. Someone spent a fortune on it. Wow. Let's get this out. I don't even know what this is. Get it out of there. This is massive. I'm not sure. I think it was. Wow, what's in here? Oh wow, okay. So this is inside the box. It's huge. Right. I'll get this. It's got like net to keep protected. Wow, okay. Oh, the ordinary. Wow. This is huge. And I don't even know who it was from. This is crazy. This is the ordinary. The serum foundation. Like the last couple of videos, I've wanted to try foundation from the ordinary. So this is really light cover. It's like a lightweight serum, and it is 1.1 N fair. Look at that. Really fair. Wow. These are all gorgeous. So full coverage foundation. Alright, so that was serum foundation, lightweight. This is like a full coverage one. Let's have a look. These are lovely little bottles. They feel beautiful. So this one's a full coverage in a 2.0 light medium. And there's another one here. Wow. Oh, I've got more. So we've got another full coverage in a 1.2N light neutral. These are really light neutrals. I'm probably going to have to mix these with some. These are probably going to be a bit too light for me in the minute, but my cheeks look the rosacea. Just every night they burn up. It's horrible, and it's worse in the winter as well. I think it's to do with the weather. When it's cold outside and I come and start getting warmed up, if I eat something, that's it, it's off. Wet n Wild. God, I can remember them off ages ago. Photo Focus foundation, soft beige. Look at that. This is just fantastic. Loads of foundation here to play with. What's this one here? Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer, creamy vanilla. Look at that. Wow. This is just fantastic. That's like a 2-in-1. And what's this one? Milani Conceal and Perfect, another 2-in-1. And this one is number 3, light beige. Look at that. Wow. There's just so much here. And oops, everything's falling out. Look at this. Oh my word. So we've got a Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation stick. I've just had to put the lid on it to come off. Look at that. Fabulous. I love foundation sticks and I don't have enough, so this is ideal. Really ideal. Cashmere Cream Comfort Lipstick. Oh, that's a lovely colour. Look at that. This one's perf. It's a funny colour. Wow. This is fantastic. Hang on, what we got? Oh look, I love the little squirty tub that it's in, like a toothpaste tube. Look at that. Beautiful. Put that on my hand. Oh, that is stunning. Look at the colour of that. It's like a dark nutmeg. I don't know if I've got the right name for that, but it looks like a dark nutmeg to me. This is just fantastic. Wow, what's in here? This is just madness. We've got, oh look at this. BH Cosmetics Eye Light Waterproof Eye Colour. Look at that. Got to get this out and have a look at it. Wow. Look at that. Oh, that is stunning. Can't wait to use that. Look at that. Look, like she does. Isn't that lovely? Ooh. God. Another lipstick. This one is TBH, to be honest. Is it to be honest? No, maybe. To be honest, it's a really pretty colour. Let's have a look. Ooh, this is like a pinky colour. Beautiful. There we go, look at that one there. That is gorgeous. Wow. For the beauty obsessed portion, may create makeup envy. What's this? Living my best light. Let's have a look. What's this? Wow. This is so fantastic. Something on my nose. This is it B? I've never come across that before. Don't even know what it is. This is multi-use high. Oh, we've got to have a look at this. Multi-use highlighter. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. I think it's going to be like a dab. Yeah, got to be careful with this. Look at that. Lovely little packaging. Living the best light. Living Jelly Glow Highlight. Oh, right, what's this? Let's have a look. Oh, I just snapped it off. I'll get in. I think. Will I get in? Yes. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, that is stunning. I love the jar. It's made of like frosted glass. That's an amazing little shine. Wow. There's something else. What's that? There's more. Wow. There's more here. What's this? Pro Colour Foundation. Ah, mix of pigment. So you can make your own shade of foundation. I've never seen this before. So look, I found two more in here. This is a yellow colour. Let's have a look. Yellow pigment and an orange. So I can make my own. I can make my own foundation. Get in. I can't wait to do that. There's two eyeshadow palettes here as well. I've got a nude matte and I've got a bright shimmer. It's just so much. Can't get over this. So this is B-I-E-Y-N Nude Matte. E-Y-N, I've never heard of E-Y-N. Oh, it feels really nice. That feels stunning. Honestly, you want to feel the quality of that. It's beautiful. I'm excited to open this, so I'm going to let you see first. Oh, look at them. They're stunning. They are literally stunning. Look at them. I wouldn't care, you know, this might sound really funny, and I don't, you know, people say, oh, I had a dream and I had this and I had that. I don't like it when they're lying, but I did have a dream about a matte grey eyeshadow that I needed to wear, and look at that, there's a matte grey eyeshadow, so I need to wear it. That is fantastic. Whoa, that is lovely. These are all brand new as well. Wow, bless. This is the bright one. Wait till you see this. Whoop. EYN Bright Shimmer. The colours are stunning. Wow. Oh my word. Look at that. I'm so excited. These are gorgeous. Wow. This is brilliant. Just wait till I get playing with all that. Wow. I can't stop staring at these colours. Look at them. Aren't they stunning? And the palette, it's beautiful. These palettes are gorgeous. Look at them. They're like all, what's that word when something's all foily? Translucent? These are beautiful. Wow. This is a hell of an unboxing. I've just... I don't even know what to say. This is so lovely. I really hope that whoever sent it, I think I know, but I'm not too sure because there's no letter in it. I need, if you are going to send something, please send us a letter so I can reply back to you and I can get you something sent off. Just as a thank you. It's never going to match what you have sent us, but it's from here and I really need to do that for you. So this is fantastic. Please come forward and just say it was me. I think I know. I'm going to double check. But this is absolutely fantastic. I can't get over this lot. Wow. Really, really, really fantastic. Whoa. Well, listen, I hope you have enjoyed that unboxing. There's loads more to come. And I've got some lovely friends who've sent us things, so they're coming up next as well. And again, I really hope you've enjoyed my unboxing video. Stay tuned because we're going to be doing some makeup looks as well. Valentine's, I've done 2 looks, they were quite a bit similar. One of them was, well, wanted to be matte, but it turned out glossy like the last one, like the shadowy, like shimmery. So I ended up doing 2 shimmery ones and I wanted to do a nice matte one, but I never got to. So I might do another one, but I think we need to do a looky dip because it's been a while. What would you like to see next? Let us know. I'm really excited to get cracking with these videos and I'm trying to do as many as I can when I'm not at work. So I really hope you have enjoyed them all and I shall see you all in a bit. Zoom zoom.